I promise you I will never leave. I am your friend. I will stand with you till the end of time.
What are you waiting for? Shoot me!
You will kill my father today.
I will never spill the royal blood.
Will you cook for my father?
He will not kill the king.
You will kill my father tonight or die.
A chef cannot kill his master. I'm also fighting to stay here and watch you stay alive.
We want him dead.
I will not do it. For I'm under an oath to serve this royal family.
I'm asking you, this. My son, the next king of Amoko Kingdom, will crown the prince we all know.
I am giving you and your friend 5 million naira.
Your Majesty, I, Prince Ikemba, will be crowned the next king of Obo.
Make use of the exit door when you are done visiting. You just killed your friend.
If anything happens to Ifunanya and the king, the use of this kingdom will set you all ablaze. It's not a threat, it's a promise.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.